In this video, I am going to show you how to add your Wix website to Bing Webmaster Tools. So let's see how we can do it. To do this, go to google.com and search for Bing Webmaster Tools. After that, just click on this first link and it will take you to this website. Click Get Started from here. After that, from here you can select the account for which that you want to use for the login, and then I will log in with my Google account. Now click on Continue from here. So now we are in the Bing Webmaster Tools, and now we are going to see how we can add our website. So we are going to add our website manually. So we will paste our domain name here, and after that just click on Add. So as you can see that our Wix website is now added to Bing Webmaster Tools, and now we are going to verify our website. So to verify our website, we are going to select HTML meta tag from here. After that we will copy this meta tag, go back to our Wix website dashboard, and then from here we are going to click on Marketing and SEO, and then click on SEO. After that, scroll down to the bottom and click on Go to Site Verification under Site Verification section. And now from here select Bing Webmaster Tools. Now paste your meta tag here, and after that just click on Save. Now go to Bing Webmaster Tools and then click on Verify, and in this way your Wix website will be added to Bing Webmaster Tools. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.